me on the corner. Swear you hit me like a vision. I wasn't.
Rotational velocity is the number of rotations per unit of time. Tangential velocity is the speed of which something moves along a circular path.
For example, when a circular path is made, the object closer to the axis of rotation, or the center, in this case the red binder clip, it will have a slower tangential velocity than an object farther from the axis of rotation, like the yellow binder clip.
In this case, Sydney and Katie have a faster tangential velocity than Kennedy because they are farther from the axis of rotation. This is why when Kennedy speeds up her spin, they have to increase their pace.
We can see an example of rotational velocity in how gears function. For the large gear, the rotational velocity is smaller than it would be for the small gear. This is because the two gears have the same tangential velocity, but the smaller gear has to make more spins in order to cover the same amount of distance as the large gear. It is an advantage to run on the inside of a track because you are able to run the same amount of distance as someone on the outside of the track without having to run as fast. This means you have the same rotational velocity but a slower tangential velocity than the other person.
Train wheels are designed tapered with the wide part of the wheel on the inside and the thin part on the outside. Their rotational velocities are the same, but the wider part has a larger tangential velocity. This difference in tangential velocities causes the train to curve when the wide part hits the track,